Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we last recorded. Today I wanted to talk about causative verbs. Causative verbs. My students recently came across a sentence like this. Can you get your mother to pay? Can you get your mother to pay? お母さんに払わせてもらえますか? I want to talk about three verbs in particular. Let, or allow to, make, and get to. I let my son go to the movies. I make my son do the dishes. I get my son to exercise. Now in Japanese, it's 息子を映画に行かせる。息子に皿洗いをさせる。息子に運動をさせる。In Japanese, it's always the same. It's always させる. But in English, it depends on the relationship between the subject and the object. So, I let my son go to the movies means that my son wants to go to the movies, and I am allowing him to go. He wants to go to the movies, and I have the decision-making ability to determine whether or not he can, so I allow him to go, or I let him go. Keep in mind that there's a to here, so I let my son go to the movies. I allow my son to go to the movies. With make, it's a little bit different. It's on the other end where my son doesn't want to do the dishes, but I make him do the dishes because I have a rule that he has to do the dishes. So I make him do the dishes. Muriari ni. I determine that he has to do the dishes, and then I make him do it. With get to, it's halfway in between. I get my son to exercise. Maybe my son doesn't want to exercise, and I don't want it so bad that I would make it a rule. I'm okay with him not exercising. I'm not as strict as I am with the dishes, but I want him to exercise. So I have to use persuasion to get him to exercise. Maybe I can say, son, you should exercise because it's good for your health. Son, you should exercise because it'll make you better at sports. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.